exciting time in the computer science class. Today we'll be talking about word processing. Under word processing, we'll be knowing how to load a Microsoft Word, how to create a Microsoft Word document, how to save it, to create a table if need be, and how to apply a watermark to a Word document. Now, we'll be doing more. We'll be doing things like how to increase the font size, how to reduce the font size, how to do center alignment, how to do left alignment, how to do right alignment. We'll be learning various and performing numerous shortcut keys in word processing. And in our first term, we basically we talked about the meaning of word processing. We won't be talking about it in this class, but we'll be talking about the meaning of word processing and features and all of that. In all, we'll be going strictly into the practical parts.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where and the time you are right now while you are watching this. So today I'll be walking you through on how to work in a word processing environment, and I'll be making use of the Microsoft Word. In class we'll be treating, when you're in SS1, you heard things about creating a document, editing a document, of which that's basically what word processing is all about: to create, edit, and to print. So let's see. So if you want to create a document, firstly, this is for Windows 7 though, so you click on your start button, and if you look through, you find out that Microsoft Word shows immediately because I use it frequently. But for some of us that is just opening for the first time, you click on all programs, and when you click on all programs, you go down to Microsoft Office. You see all the packages in Microsoft Office. So in there, you will now select Microsoft Word, of which I have done that, and it loads automatically. So this is a perfect example of how the word processing environment is. So I'll just walk you through on the basics on how everything is done. Alright, so let me start by this environment, and let's just type any word. Let's say UPSS is a great school. Because it's a great school to be. Good. So now, okay, let's just add to it. I love my teacher. That should be me. Yeah, that should be me. Of course, it has to be me. So let's see. So now this is it. So let's start with the very first one. This is a word. This is the beginning of the word. This is the ending of the word. Ending of the statement. Beginning of the statement, end of the statement, and these are just two words. So let's start by how do you alight? You alight by dragging the key from your mouse. You use your mouse, the cursor on your mouse, you drag, you alight. Another way you can alight is if you press the shift and the right direction, it alights by itself. Okay, now you've alighted this. You've alighted this word. Now another way you can alight is you can actually use Control A. You alight everything. Okay, now you alighted this word and you want to increase the font size. You come here, this is what I'm saying, you increase the font size. You can take it to any size you want depending on what you're doing. Okay, so let's say I've increased the font size, and maybe I want to make it bold. This is bold. I want to make it bold. So what about if you want to now make everything all capital letter? What you do, you press listen, you press Control Alternate A, and everything becomes capital letter. Everything becomes capital letter. You want to take it back, Control Alternate A, it goes back to its original form. Or let's say you don't like the handwriting, as the case may be, you come here, look at my cursor, you come here and change still highlighted, you change it to anyone you want. I love Algerian, the handwriting is massive, it's nice, so you have changed it. Okay, now you have walked you through on this. Next, let's say you don't like the color, I'm sorry, I don't like the color. You come here and you click on any color. You can see the color changes. It changes automatically. You want to change more. You want to change more colors. So let's stick with my best color. Yeah. So you see, you can change the color to anything you want. Alright, now let's say I don't like as it's in the right hand side. You come here, put it at the middle. It comes to the middle. Or you don't like the side, from letters. But I think I would prefer it being at the middle. Okay, let's say you don't like the fact that they are too far away. Still highlight them and you come here to remove the line spacing for them to be closer. You see they are now close. If you want them to even be more closer, they are now more closer, as the case may be. Then moving away from all that, you want to insert a table. You come here, you click on insert. Mind you, remember in the last class I told you that this entire features here, they are all called ribbons. Okay, so you want to insert, you click on insert. There you see table, you click on table to the desired kind of table how you want. Is as simple as that. Okay, you can write on the table anyhow you want to do. You can change the color of the table, as the case may be. You can change it. It's on you, anyone you want. Okay, now let's move to page layout. Like I said, is just the basics. Page layout. Now under page layout, let's go to watermark. Watermark enables you to write something in the background, to just be in the background there. So let's see watermark. You come to watermark and you click on custom watermark. Sorry for the delay. So let's see custom watermark. Okay, text. So let's write UPSS. All right. Let's say I don't like. No. You decide to change the font if you like. Change the font. And what I'm doing, I'm changing the font size. I'm making it bolder.